Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a panel on your profile or channel on Kik. So let us guide you through this. So guys, head over to the Kik application, either on desktop or on the web application, log into your account and navigate to your own channel overview. Here guys, you will need to enter the About tab here. And from there, just below your account personalization here in the About section, click into Edit Panel. So for this example channel, I'm going to create one by clicking into this button and then start by giving your panel a name or title. You can go with up to 100 characters. Then you may upload a preview here, for example, with maximum 4 MB size. Click into this button, locate the file on your device, the image link if you like, and describe the panel here and what it is about with, again, up to 1,000 characters. And then you can create a new one by clicking into this button, click into create to confirm it, and you will see the preview by enabling it here. So your streaming audience will see these panels listed here, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.